Metadata Utility Feature Management, also known as Stage Management. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on License Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on Feature Management. This will open up the main feature management, also known as Stage Management. Worth noting that Metadata Utility comes already built in from the default installation of Metadata Utility with the existing stage or feature management options already pre-installed, so that the user doesn't need to add those in Metadata Utility. However, if a user went through a massive reset, or for some reason a user deleted the information for the available stages or features from which Metadata Utility offers a license, then in that particular case, the user can choose to re-enter that information by clicking on Add New, selecting from the Edit List message prompt Yes to set the stage management in edit mode. Once in edit mode, a user can simply double-click on a particular record to enter a particular stage or feature. Metadata Utility uses simple to use naming conventions for their features management section, and the main license is called Stage 1, which enables users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library metadata information. However, when a user is entering a stage in Metadata Utility, a user may choose to rename it. For example, instead of naming it Stage 1, user may choose to call it Windows Media Center Stage Management. Metadata Utility offers even flexibility for a user to name the licenses to their own choosing. However, for a user to use the full functionality of Metadata Utility, a license will be required. And for purposes of this video, Stage 1 for Windows Media Center Movie Library Metadata Management is at least required. As well as if a user wants to use the full capability to download, for example, movie information online, then it's also required to enter the appropriate data provider API registration key. On those topics, we have separate videos as well as detailed instructions on our website, in which we go step by step with the user as to what it is required to use certain functionalities and what the steps necessary to register those appropriate features. However, it is for a user also an option. For example, if a user chooses not to use the online search tool, and therefore a user chooses not to register a data provider because the user wants to enter the information manually for their movie library, then the user can skip registering a data provider or requesting a registration key from a data provider and simply enter the information manually. So again, Metadata Utility enables users to select on the modular architecture of the application to select appropriately which registrations or licenses are to be entered to manage those appropriate features that are available within a metadata utility. For questions on this particular topic or in any other topics of the functionalities built in metadata utility that enable users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library metadata information, we welcome all of our users to click on any of the other videos that we have available in those particular topics, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step by step, as well as FAQ sections, how-to sections, and troubleshooting sections in which we dive into specific details for any particular given topic, as well as functionality within metadata utility. Again, to allow users to enable the complete management of their Windows Media Center movie library metadata information. Our website is metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.